Hey guys, we received this Era Organics Manuka honey face cream for test and try. So this one is claimed to be an advanced 12-in-1 nourishing and daily face moisturizer. So comes in a really nice packing. Let me just open this up. So the content that is shown is coconut oil, Manuka honey, the coca seed oil, and aloe vera, etc. So these are the contents that were mentioned on the packaging, and the feel of this cream is really smooth, and as you can see, feels really nice and soft, and immediately feels a really like silky effect as well on the skin, as I can see, and it's non-greasy, so it's good. And then it's a really nice cream and the feel and the texture, as I can see from here. So a nice cream that can be used for any skin type.